These versatile all-purpose kitchen shears feature clean cutting, stainless steel blades and Softgrip touchpoints to enhance comfort and control. Dishwasher-safe and blades separate for quick, easy cleaning. Ideal for cutting meat, poultry, fish, bone and trimming fat. Serrated blade edge grips when cutting slippery materials for precision and control. Length: 8 inch. The perfect kitchen shears for cutting herbs, meat, poultry, fish and even bone, with a dishwasher-safe design that you can take apart for easy cleaning. Whether you're stripping stems, chopping vegetables, opening packaging or cutting meat, these all-purpose shears go from one task to the next without complaining. A serrated blade edge grips for precision no matter what you're cutting, and sculpted handle loops with Softgrip touchpoints bring Fiskars hallmark comfort to every use. Plus, a take-apart, dishwasher-safe design makes post-meal cleanup a cinch. Top reviews from the United States. A must-have for parents with small children. I originally bought kitchen shears because they are great for cutting raw chicken. What I learned was that once I had kids, they are amazing for cutting up foods into toddler-size pieces. Pizza, pancakes, bread, hot dogs, you name it. You could absolutely use a knife for these tasks, or tear with your hands in some cases, but nothing will match the speed and ease of kitchen shears. These are super simple to clean. They come apart quickly and can be thrown in the dishwasher. My first pair, which is still in use, has probably been through the dishwasher 300 times with no negative effects. I found myself wishing I had another pair when the original was dirty or in the dishwasher, so I bought a second pair.